Sir, you never give us homework and assignments, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, wait.
So we will be having what have you taught, that much only or some extra?
Okay. Cool. Just mute yourself for now, guys. Okay, mute yourself for now because we will start, right? Good morning, everyone. So we will start with the revision of what we have studied in last class, which is the revision Kahoot, है ना? So I guess everyone would be enjoying that, right? So let us see. Let us see. Okay. So you can see the questions. You can see the questions answer also on your Kahoot app, right? So let us start, guys. Let us start. The first question is, rectilinear motion occurs in a straight path, curved path, both of these, none of these. This is I guess revision count. We have already played this. I think we have already played this. Anyways, let us see, right? Let us see how many of you remember everything. See, still 12 students made mistake. Anna, it is straight path. We have studied that rectilinear motion is straight path. The motion of Earth around its axis is example of dash motion. Okay. Yes, it is a rotational motion, na? See, it is motion of Earth around its axis. It is not around the sun. And right, guys, try to understand the concept. It is the motion of Earth around its axis, not around the sun. If it would have been around the sun, then you could actually think. Okay? No changes in the order. Motion of Earth around the sun. Again, right? This I've told you. Motion of Earth around the sun is example of dash. You have to type it.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Let us check. Spelling might be mistake, right? Spelling might be mistake. Okay. So it is periodic motion, circular motion, right? Those who have written curvilinear motion, that is also correct. है ना? Revolution, again, revolution is a process. है ना? तुमसे पूछा कि motion कैसा है? Okay.
Sir, I wrote circular only, sir.
The spelling.
Sir, won't it be revolution motion?
Revolution, again, revolution is a process. It is not a type of motion. Revolution is basically your circular or curvilinear motion only. Okay. So see, if A is a frame of reference, which of the following is correct? Tell me. B is at rest, na? C. With
Sir,
respect
I
to
can't hear you.
you can't hear me, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir, we can hear you, sir.
Okay. So we have studied with respect to A. B is in B is in rest and C is in motion. Yes or no? Train wala example. All of you remember train wala example, right? Okay. So I hope most of you understood. So last question of this Kahoot. Last question of today's Kahoot. Like today is this Kahoot. We'll play one more Kahoot. Okay. But after completing one topic, the following image indicates that type of motion. Tell me.
ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳಕ ಜಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಷ್ಟೇ.
Yes, very good. It is periodic motion,
Quarantine ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
right? Okay. Okay, let us see the podium. Drushti, third position. Very good, Drushti. 5 out of 5 correct. Swati, 5 out of 5 correct. Very good. And Priya, 5 out of 5 correct. Very good, Priya. Fourth is Dhruv. Fifth is Nivesh. Okay. Very good. Let's see how many students. What's the percentage? Only 48% students gave correct answers. Right? Which means many students need to work on the basics. Okay. Right? So I guess everyone remember these concepts. Hi, Anna, tell me, raise your hand. Everyone remember what we studied in last class? So you know what is distance? Everyone understood what is distance? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Everyone got it? What is distance? Teju, you just message, right? Because see, when I unmute, now there's lots of people who just start speaking, right? Which creates disturbance. That's why. Okay. You just ask your doubts, no message, right? What your doubt? Okay. So yeah. So let us start. Let us start, right? New topic, which is basically what we studied. What is distance? And we studied what is distance, right? And okay. Now think about it. Yes, Drushti, message. Whatever doubt you have, message. See again, right? Teju, revolution motion, right? When you talk about revolution motion. So basically, revolution motion is kind of circular or curvilinear motion only, na? Ayana. Revolution is a process, right? Revolution is a process. But when you talk about type of motion, it will be circular or curvilinear only. Got it? Tell me, got it? Right? Ayana. Drushti, what is your doubt? Ask your doubts. Because of friction, right? Because of friction, there's a force, na? Friction force. We will study about that. Okay. Okay, Pragna, I'll send, don't worry, right? But today, focus, right? Today, focus what I'm going to teach today. Okay? Right? Okay. Now, we studied what is distance. We studied what is distance. Okay? Friction with air, friction with the hinge, right? Hinge also offers friction, na? So that also is responsible. Okay. Got it? Right? Okay. Now, let us see. The next topic that we are going to study is something called, tell me, I hope all of you understood distance. Now, this term, right? This term is something called displacement. Displacement, right? Do not get confused, right? Do not get confused. Displacement and distance, right? You should have better clarity. Okay. Right? Better clarity. Yes, length of the path taken is distance. Any length, right? Any length. Any length is your distance. Yes or no? Hi, Anna. Any length is your distance. Spelling mistake, it might be, Jia. It might be spelling mistake, right? Don't worry, okay? Right? Or it might be the one which is not fit in the answer. So those whose answer is circular motion, they are correct. No issues. Okay? Okay? No issues. See, then a periodic motion is a motion which repeats itself after some time. Right? Periodic motion is a motion which repeats itself after certain time. But circular motion is not necessarily repeating after some time. Okay? Right? Okay? Chalo. Next, let us see this concept. Everyone, let us see this concept. Focus here, right? Focus here. Okay. Now, my question is this. Everyone focus on this problem. Okay? No one should, right, think or ask something else. Focus on this problem. So this is A. This is A initial point. This is the initial point A. Initial point A. And suppose this is your final point B. This is your final point B. Okay? Right? Think about it, everyone. Right? Right? Okay. Think about it. Now tell me. I have already done this problem. Suppose this length is right X. This length is Y. Right? This length is Z. Right? I'm not asking you to find it. Okay? I'm not asking you to find it. I'm just asking you a problem. Right? Now, this is path 1. This is total is path 2. And suppose I'm having a third path also, right? I'm having a third path also like this. This is path 3. This is path 3. Okay. Now tell me, if I ask you, what is the distance? What is the distance between A and B? Okay. Yes, Jia, but focus over here, right? So if I ask you, sir, what is the distance between A and B? Tell me, what is the distance between A and B? Okay. No, this again, right? Again, distance. I'm talking about distance. Sir, in this case, right, if I'm asking distance, you should ask me, sir, which path he is taking. Distance is all the three, yes or no? Distance of, right? Distance of P1 is Z. And suppose this is W. Distance of P1 is Z. What is distance of P2? Distance of path P2, distance covered in path P2 is X plus Y. Ayana, and distance, right, covered in P3 is basically W. Ayana, ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Tell me yes or no. Ayana, sir, distance is basically length of the path. Length of the path. तो अगर path different होगा, तो length भी different होगा ना? Yes or no? Clarity होनी चाहिए. Everyone should have clarity, right? Clarity in the concept. Clear है? I guess this is clear. This is clear, right? Sir, distance is basically the length of the path, right? Pratik, I'm explaining. Distance is basically the length of the path. So it depends on which path you are taking. You are taking this P1 path, right? Or you P2 path. This total is P2, right? This total X plus Y is P2. Or you're taking this P3 path, right? So the length will be either Z or X plus Y or W depending on the path taken. But if I ask you, right, if my question is, think about it. If my question is, sir, what is the shortest path? Tell me. Shortest path from A to B. Tell me, everyone. I guess everyone can tell me. A to B. Tell me, shortest path is? सबको दिख रहा है? P1, yes. Sir, it is P1 and length is Z. Ayana, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Agree? Agree? Right? Yes or no? Okay, so can I say, sir, shortest point, I'll just write like this. Shortest path between initial and final point. Remember, and final position initial and final position, ठीक है, right? Initial path between initial and final position is called displacement. समझ में आया? Displacement, right? And it is always a straight line, and the path is always, tell me, always what? A straight line. A straight line. Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? Ananya? Ananya? I said, what is the shortest path? Simple. Shortest path कौन सा है? A से B तक जाने में सबसे छोटा रास्ता कौन सा है? Tell me. कौन सा है? P1, right? So yes, exactly. So P1 is the only displacement is P1. P3 is not displacement, neither P2, because it is not the shortest and it is not this straight line. Got it? Right? Shortest कौन सा होता है आदित्य? Shortest कौन सा होगा? बताओ, shortest कौन सा होगा? Straight line ही short होगा ना? Tell me. Straight line जब जाओगे तो straight line ही short होगा ना? A से B तक में एक straight line एक curve ऐसे है, तो जो straight line होगा वही shortest होगा ना? Directly, एकदम directly. Yes or no? हाँ ना? Think about it. And it is the path between initial point and final point. ठीक है? Yes, P3 and P2 both are not displacement, right? P3 and P2 both are not displacement. ठीक है? So let us see one concept check, right? Everyone, let us see one concept check. Okay, let us see one concept check. Now think about it. Suppose you're moving like this. Okay, everyone, please pay attention over here. Suppose you're moving like this. Okay. Suppose you're moving like this. Okay, think about it. Everyone, think about it. Right? This is point A, this is point B. This is point A, this is point B. Okay? Right? This is point A, this is point B. Right? So a person is traveling from this using this path. So I can say, right? Again, it is instead of shortest path, it is better to write shortest length. Anna, tell me, it's best to write shortest length. Okay? Write shortest length. Okay? Chalo. Suppose this is 10 meter. This is also 10 meter. This is 20 meter. This is also 10 meter. Now tell me, what is the distance between A and B? Tell me, what is the distance between A and B? Distance between A and B. Tell me, distance between A and B, what is that? I hope it is easy, guys. Tell me, distance between A and B, easy. Raise your hand. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Ananya, calculate Ananya. 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10. Right? It is equal to what? Tell me, is equal to what? Right? 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 10, right? Which is equal to 50. Yes or no? 50 meter. Now, ठीक है, ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है. Very good. 50 meter. But if I ask, what's the displacement between A and B? Displacement between A and B. सर डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए ना ए और बी को डायरेक्टली जोड़ दो, ना लाइन से जोड़ दो, स्ट्रेट लाइन से जोड़ दो. डिस्प्लेसमेंट बिटवीन ए एंड बी. So for displacement, just connect point A and point B directly. Connect point A and point B directly. ठीक है, right? है ना? Simple. That's it. That's all you have to do. That is the shortest, right? Shortest. ठीक है? Very good. Very good, everyone. है ना? So it is what? So it is 10 plus 20. है ना? It is 10 plus 20, which is equal to 30 meter. Everyone got this? Ayana, tell me. Ayana. Right? So whenever you're asked what is displacement, right? Okay, just connect initial point and final point by a straight line. Simple. And calculate the, yes, 30 meters the displacement. Okay. I hope everyone understood the concept of distance and displacement. आया ना? एक और सवाल करूं मैं? एक और सवाल करूं? Okay, चलो, let's see concept check 2. Right, everyone, let us see concept check 2. Okay, so suppose I'm having a person, right? This is suppose your east, west, north, south. है ना? I hope all of you remember this east, west, north, south वाला thing, right? Okay, right? Now suppose a person is moving from this point, right? He started moving from this point. Think about it, guys. Think about it. So he started moving from this point to this point here, like this. Wait. Yeah, he started moving from this point to this point. Okay, suppose, okay, like in this direction, suppose. Now, after this point, he moved in north, which is your opposite direction. North means this direction, yes or no? Right? Suppose he moves to north like this, है ना? ठीक है? Okay. Now, after this, he moved to. Tell me. After this, he moved to. Tell me. East. Right? East. Okay. After this, he moved to. Tell me. South. Think about it. South. Like this. After this, he moved to. Tell me. West. Right? After this, he moved to west. Like this. Okay. Right? Think about it. Everyone is getting this. Everyone is getting this. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. This is initial point A. This is final point B. Everyone, think about it. Everyone, open your mind, right? है ना? ठीक है. So this is 10. This is 5. This is also 10. This is 20. Right? ठीक है. That is given. Right? This is what given. ठीक है. So find distance. Find the distance between A and B. Right? A and B. Distance covered, right? If this path is taken, what is the distance covered? And then find displacement. B, find displacement. Okay, tell me. Everyone, think about it. Everyone, think about it. Solve करो one. Very good, Shreya. Very good. कार्तिकेया, calculation ठीक से करो सब कोई. Calculation सब कोई ठीक से करो. निधि, calculation निधि, right? See, green वाले का length मैंने नहीं दिया है because it is understood. No, Roman, that is wrong, Roman. See, tell me, what is this distance? So this is 10, this is also 10. So जो ये length है, right? ये green वाला, इसका length कितना हो जाएगा? देखो ना, ये भी 10 और ये भी 10 है. तो ये length तो same रहेगा ना? So this is also, this is 20. Yes or no? जो मैंने नहीं दिया, because you have to get it, right? है ना? ठीक है? समझ में आया सबको? Okay, Ritika, you're getting. Now at this distance, total distance कितना हो गया रितिका? Very good, है ना? राकेश, रोमन, निधि, प्रिया, अब बताओ, what is the total distance? Yes, right. So sir, it is 10 plus 5 plus 10, 25 plus 20, 45 plus 20, 65. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Yes or no? 65. Yes, very good, very good, very good, everyone. So sir, I can say, sir, displacement and distance I can calculate over here, है ना? So let us check, right? Let us check. So distance is basically the length of the path, which is total length, which is 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20. So it is equal to 65 meter. If everything is meters, so it is 65 meter. Yes, right? Yes, very good. Okay. But when you talk about displacement, so displacement is the shortest path between, tell me, shortest path between A and B. So shortest path is this only, na? हाँ या ना? This blue line will be the shortest one. हाँ या ना? Raise your hand. This blue line will be shortest, right? Think about it. Sorry, this. Okay, ठीक है, right? Okay. So can I say, sir, this total is 20 and this is 5. So this distance, right? This distance should be equal to what? 15? हाँ या ना? Because sir, this total is 20 and this is 5. So this must be 15. Agree? हाँ या ना? Think about it. How come it is 10? Think about it. Right? Yellow line length, so total 20 है और 5 ऊपर गया है, तो जो नीचे होगा वो कितना होगा? This total is 20 and this is 5. Right? This is 5. So remaining would be 15. Yes or no? So can I say, sir, displacement is 20 minus 5, which is equal to 15 meter. Agree? Agree? हाँ या ना? Agree, everyone? Everyone is getting this? 15 meter, yes. Right? Right, everyone? है ना? Priya, Roman, Nidhi, everyone is writing? Everyone is noting? Rakesh? You're not writing it, Rakesh? Singam? Ritika? Sorry, Ananya, sorry. Sanchana, Nidhi, Bindu, है ना? चलो, very good. एक और concept test हो जाए, एक और concept test. लीला, I'll give you again, don't worry. एक और question concept test से हो जाएगा. ठीक है? So let's see one more concept check. Okay. Now, how many of you know about circle? Tell me. How many of you know about circle? हाथ उठा दो. सबको circle पता है ना? Sir, we know, sir. Circle we know, sir. Right? Okay. Suppose this is a circle, right? This is a circle, है ना? This is a circle. Okay. This is a circle. This is point A. This is point A, and this is point B. They are the diametrically opposite point. है ना? Diameters opposite point है. Right? Tell me. Okay. So you don't have to calculate. You don't have to calculate. Don't worry. You don't have to calculate over here. ठीक है? Right? तुमको calculate नहीं करना है. मैं बस पूछ रहा हूँ कि क्या होता है. So ये हो गया diameter. A से B तक diameter हो गया. So tell me. Now this is one path and this is one path. So this is like suppose D1. This is the distance D1 and this is D diameter and this is D1, which is equal to actually this is equal to pi r. ठीक है? ये A से B तक pi r है. I'm giving this. Right? So distance and displacement. Question is this. Distance and displacement between A and B are respectively, right? Option A, pi r comma r. Option B, pi r comma 2r. Option C, 2 pi r comma r, option D 2 pi r comma 2r. Tell me. Diameter, again, diameter is equal to 2r. I hope all of you know this. I am not. Diameter is basically 2r. Okay? Diameter of a circle is 2r, 2 into radius. That is the definition of diameter. Everyone, think about it. Very good, Drusti. Very good. Correct. Correct, Drusti. Everyone, tell me. Tell me, everyone. Yes, Swati. Well, yes, Rania. Correct. No, answer is not D, by the way. Answer is not D. I'm telling you, answer is not D. Roman 2r is equal to r is wrong, na? 2r is equal to r is wrong, right? Pi, this is pi. This is called pi. This is not x. Pi, pi. We will study what is pi. Okay, but I have given you. Don't have to think. Bhai, wo kaisa hai? I have given you this. Yes, Ganeshri, correct. Okay. Yes, yes, Pranav. Yes, Shreya, correct. है ना? So I've given you, right? Sir, A से B तक का distance is this D1, है ना? And this is the displacement. ठीक है? ठीक है? Clear है सबको? So the answer is B. Answer is B. Correct. Answer is B. Everyone got this? Answer is B. Okay? Right? So I guess this is clear, है ना? Concept of distance and displacement is clear. ठीक है, चलो. Up next. Now, I hope all of you know, so displacement is also a length, right? It's the shortest length. The unit to same रहेगा. Unit to same रहेगा. हाँ या ना? Tell me, unit must be same, right? Okay. See, Teju, 2 pi r is total circle, ना? Total circle थोड़ी ना है. A से B तक आधा circle था ना? Tell me. Tell me. A से B तक आधा circle है ना? पूरा circle थोड़ी ना है. 2 pi r मतलब पूरा circle, पूरा circle. A से B is only आधा circle. Okay. राइट ए से बी मैंने दिया हुआ डिस्टेंस पाई आर, ये मैंने दिया हुआ 2r, राइट? मैं बस पूछ रहा हूँ कि डिस्टेंस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में क्या होता है, इसमें नहीं क्या समझ में आया बताओ. टेल मी. Everything is given. You just have to identify that which is distance, which is displacement. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay. Right. Okay. So now, how many of you have seen a meter in car or your bike? Tell me. How many of you have seen a meter, right? A meter like this. Tell me. A meter like this in your car. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. How many of you? Tell me. Tell me. Everyone. कितने लोगों ने देखा है? कितने लोगों ने देखा है? राइट? थिंक अबाउट इट. कितने लोगों ने देखा? सबने देखा है? हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना? Everyone? Yes? Now, can anyone tell me what is that meter? Can anyone tell me what is that meter? I'm just thinking about, right? Thinking about, yes, everyone have seen, right? Yes, very good, right? Very good. That is, okay, that is instrument is called a speedometer. Everyone know this, right? है ना? सबको पता है. So this is speedometer, है ना? Speedometer. And यहाँ पे एक ऐसा भी लिखा होगा, एक डिजिटल होगा जिसमें डिस्टेंस, जिसमें कुछ नंबर्स लिखे होंगे, है ना? राइट? नंबर्स लिखे होंगे लाइक 7, 8, 3, 2, 1, है ना? राइट? इसमें कुछ नंबर्स लिखे होंगे. What is this? What this number shows? Tell me. Anyone? What this number shows? ये नंबर क्या शो करता है? इसको आइडिया है? ये नंबर क्या शो करता है? Tell me. This number shows distance traveled. कितना तुमने चला है? Yes or no? Distance traveled. Yes or no? Right? जाके देखना कार में, बाइक में होगा, है ना? एक तो ये मीटर होगा और एक ये होगा. Yes? Now this meter is called as, this meter is basically called as odometer. Odometer. ठीक है? जो मीटर डिस्टेंस दिखाता है ना, जो डिस्टेंस दिखाता है उसको हम बोलते हैं ओडोमीटर, और जो स्पीड दिखाता है, ये स्पीड, ये एरो, ये वाला, इसको बोलते हैं स्पीडोमीटर, ठीक है ना। आई गेस सर डिस्टेंस तो हमें समझ में आ गया, व्हाट इज स्पीड, स्पीड होता क्या है, टेल मी, राइट, स्पीड होता क्या है, बिकॉज वी हैव स्टडीड, राइट, वी हैव सीन, ओके कोई तेज भागता है तो हम बोलते हैं कि दैट इज मूविंग फास्ट, मूविंग स्लो, हाँ है ना, राइट, बट व्हाट इज द बेसिक मीनिंग, टेल मी व्हाट इज द बेसिक मीनिंग, नाउ थिंक अबाउट इट, suppose I'm having a point A and I'm having a point B. Let us observe, right? Let us observe. Before thinking about anything, let us observe. ठीक है? Right? Okay. Now, suppose A से B तक एक आदमी गया. Okay. Right? Suppose माधवा, right? A से B तक run किया. ठीक है? He ran from A to B. Okay. The distance was suppose 100 meter. And he took 10 seconds. He took 10 seconds. ठीक है, समझो एक बार. Everyone think about it, right? Everyone think about it. Okay, right? Now, in the second case, again we have the same point A से B. Okay, same point A से B, and in this case, right? ठीक है, same point A से B, same distance. Okay, but suppose this time Pratik, right? Okay, took 15 seconds. Tell me, 15 seconds. Now, tell me, using this observation, right? What do you think? Who is fast? Madhava is fast or Pratik is fast? Madhava is fast or Pratik is fast? Tell me. Tell me. Who is fast? Madhava is fast. I guess everyone is clear in this, Hannah. Right? Everyone is clear in this. Right? But how? How can you say some Madhava is fast? Because sir, I calculated that the distance covered by Madhava in some time, per unit time, is more than distance covered, right, by Pratik, right, in some time. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right? So I should have some parameter. I should have something to denote this. I cannot keep on saying distance by time, है ना? So we gave a term which is called as speed. It is called as speed. So speed is basically rate of change of distance, and rate means per unit time. Okay, distance, right? Or it is basically distance covered per unit time, okay. So I can say, sir, okay sir, if you understood this, if you understood this, so I can say, sir, speed is equal to what? Distance covered by time taken. Hai na? Time taken, yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Right? कितना ज्यादा distance cover करेगा, कितना कम time में? Clear है? Yes, Speedy. Right? This is clear. Everyone is clear in this. Hi Anna. I'm just asking everyone. Right? If anyone have doubt, you can ask. So I can just write it as shortcut. Right? If you want to write the symbol, I can just write like this: S is equal to d by t. So I hope all of you know cross multiplication, है ना? All of you know cross multiplication. ठीक है? Yes. So can I just cross multiply? Can I just cross multiply and write d is equal to s into t? Hi Anna. I just cross multiply and you can write like this also now. Sir, common sense. Sir. Yes, I can write it like this. Yes or no? Right? That is also correct, sir. Which means distance is equal to speed into time. Hi Anna. So I'll just write the second formula also because this is the same thing. Distance covered is equal to speed into time. Yes or no? Or I can just write this also. Time is equal to distance by speed. है ना? इसको दे कर दूंगा मैं. इसको दे कर दूंगा. दिया जाएगा. So I can write like this also. Sir, time is equal to distance covered by speed of the object. आया ना, right? So उल्टा पुल्टा करके हम लोगों ने ये तीन फॉर्मूले बना लिए, बट एक्चुअली फॉर्मूला एक ही है ना? यस, करेक्ट. नाउ let us try to find the unit of speed. ठीक है, ये सब कुछ समझ में आ गया? ओके, so unit of speed. Now, I hope all of you know that sir, speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Distance का unit क्या होता है? Distance का standard unit क्या होता है? Tell me. What is the standard unit of distance, guys? Yes. What is the standard unit of time? So it is meter. Either it is meter or kilometer, है ना? Right? Again, unit बहुत matter करता है. तो standard unit मैंने पूछा. So standard unit is meter, and standard unit of time is second. So it is meter per second, right? So this is your SI unit, standard unit. ठीक है? This is the standard unit, right? Now there's one more unit which is your kilometer per hour, right? Per hour, right? This is your, ठीक है? Tell me. This is your normal unit, right? Generally हम लोग use करते हैं, ठीक है? Now let us have one concept here. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? Tell me. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? That is 1000 meter. Yes or no? Ayana, हाथ चलो. हाथ चलो. Yes or no? Right? Yes. Okay. And 1 hour, right? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Right? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So can I say, sir, 1 hour, right? Minute, sorry, it is minute. 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. Yes or no? Which is equal to 3600 seconds. Anyone have any doubt in this? Anyone have any doubt in this? ये सबको समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ या ना? That's sir, one kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. In the same way, right? 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. ठीक है? Right? ये I guess पढ़ा होगा हम लोगों ने already. But मैंने एक बार रिवीजन कर लिया, ठीक है? Now, can I say, sir, note, इसमें नोट करो, स्टार मार्क करके नोट. ठीक है, सबको स्टार मार्क करके नोट करना है इसको, right? So 1 kilometer by 1 hour. Can I write like this? Think about it. So it is 1000 meter by 3600 seconds. हाँ या ना? Yes or no? Tell me. हाँ या ना? दिमाग खोल कर. Right? Right? Yes. Okay. So can I just divide? Sir, एक दो जीरो से दो जीरो गया. Now 10 will be divided by 2 5 times, and 10 will be divided by this 18 times. So can I say, sir, 1 kilometer by 1 hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter by second? Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Tell me yes or no. Think about it. Yes or no? सबको clarity मिली यहाँ पे? Everyone got it cleared? So what is 2 kilometer per hour? Can I say, sir, 2 kilometer per hour is equal to 2 into 5 by 18 meter per second? So basically it is the conversion from kilometer per hour to meter per second. Okay, clear, right? Yes or no? Okay, very good everyone, right? ठीक है, so I guess this is clear everyone. This is clear. सबको clarity मिल गया इसमें? Okay, so let us play one Kahoot based on this. ठीक है, so let us play one Kahoot based on this. Tell me, easy, easy. Yes. Yes, straight line, right? Straight line, na? This is a straight line. People march in a straight line. Na. Very good, Natik. Very good, Jia. Very good, Mura. Srijit, Nivesh. Second one, motion of pendulum is a periodic motion. True or false? Motion of a pendulum is a periodic motion. True or false? Yes, correct. Very good, everyone. Correct. Distance covered by an object in a unit time is called, you have to write it. Distance covered by an object in a unit time is called, everyone, please make sure your spelling is correct. How come I got this much answer? Speed, na? Speed, that's it. How come I got this much answer? Speedometer and all. This is just speed, basic definition. Yes or no? Next, true or false? If the speed of an object moving along a straight line keeps changing, it is called uniform motion. This is your logical reasoning, hai na? You have to think. Anyways, I'll explain. Let us see how many of you can give the correct answer. 50-50, guys. What is the meaning of uniform? Tell me, what is the meaning of uniform? Sir, uniform means same. Yes or no? Ayana. Yes or no? Tell me, uniform means same, right? Right, everyone? Right? And according to this problem, what is given? Tell me, what is given? The speed keeps changing. Now tell me, do you think that this is true? Tell me, think about it. Do you think that this is true? It is given that is keeps on changing. And then they're asking about uniform motion. So this is a concept that I can understand from the question itself, है ना? Right? But we will discuss in detail that uniform means speed is same. Speed is same, right? Uniform means same speed. Okay, got it. Uniform motion means same speed in same direction. Okay, got it, everyone? Just wait, it is hanging. My laptop is hanging till death. Okay, chalo. Let us see next one. So I guess this is clear. Most of you made mistake in this. अभी just answer दिखा था. Just answer दिखा था. Constant means same. Constant means same, by the way. Just answer दिखा था. जो इसमें गलती करेगा, ठीक है, वो क्लास में ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है. अभी मैंने बोला ना यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. अगर सेम स्पीड है, कांस्टेंट स्पीड मीन सेम स्पीड, देन इट इज यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. यस और नो? सबको समझ में आया? अभी पिछला क्वेश्चन यही था, right? The last question was this only ना. Okay, next. Okay, so speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. Distance covered, speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. Very good, right? Very good. All of you gave correct answer. Very good. Don't worry, I'll explain everything once again. ठीक है, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, ये बस समझो. Last question of this Kahoot. Average speed is again same definition. It should be same definition. Yes or no? Tell me. How come the definition will change? Definition of speed will not change, na? Tell me. The definition of speed will not change. Uniform motion. Okay, no issues. Yes, exactly. Very good, most of you. Very good, very good. It is distance by time only, na? So it is total distance by total time. That's it. Okay, right? That's it. Na? Because speed, the definition will not change. Na? How come you said time by distance? Okay, how come time by distance will become your speed? Okay. Let's see the podium, guys. Third, very good. Ministry, 6 out of 7, very good. Alia, very good, Alia, 7 out of 7. Shreya, very good, 7 out of 7. Nabil, 4th, Akash, 5th. Okay, right, very good, everyone. Okay, chalo. So I will revise once again. So I guess this is clear. This is clear. Now, right, when you talk about motion, okay. So uniform motion. When you talk about uniform motion, right? As we have studied, sir, uniform motion means what? Tell me. Same distance covered in same time interval. Same time, which actually means same speed, है ना? Same speed. ठीक है? That is the basic meaning of uniform motion. So in next class we will continue with, right? Okay, my voice is low. Okay, no issues, right? In next class we'll continue with this uniform motion and some numericals of speed. ठीक है? Right? We will finish this chapter next class. Okay? Right? Clear? Okay, so tomorrow there's economics class, guys. I hope all of you would be interested. I hope all of you revised economics class, right? Tomorrow it would be there, है ना? Right? Chalo. Okay, bye everyone. Bye bye. Yes, I'll share notes. Don't worry. Right? I'll share notes. Huh? I'll share. Okay, I'll share notes. I will share the recordings also. Okay. Bye everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Good morning. Right? Again, everyone is saying, okay, bye everyone. Take care. Chalo. Bye bye. Bye Priya. Bye Sanjana.